Do you have to be a guru and always sit in front of a computer and look at these scary charts to earn money in crypto? Or is it sufficient to know the basic principle of operation and have a phone at hand? To determine this, simply follow these 3 steps with me, and you will only need to check your phone once a day to earn your initial $300 in cryptocurrency. And my name is Ilya, and I know what Bitcoin is. Let's go! Where should a newbie start in the world of cryptocurrency? Diversifying risks, picking the right coins, getting accurate info from reliable sources, having the right mindset, and a whole lot more. This is all extremely significant, but it does not make any sense if you do not adhere to just one rule and fully comprehend its importance. Now I'll tell you this rule: watch the video till the end and hit the like button immediately to avoid distractions later on. You ain't gonna make no money if you can't buy no cryptocurrency. So any newbie's journey starts with the fact that they need to choose an exchange. You can't buy Bitcoin without an exchange, and you can't make money without Bitcoin. There are a lot of exchanges, maybe you've already heard about many of them. There are exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKEx, Kraken, Budget, Bybit, and many others. I'll be showing everything using the example of the Binance exchange, but it doesn't make any significant difference. You have the option to utilize the exchange where you are registered, which is convenient and tailored to your needs and preferences. The operation principle, which I'll tell you about in this video, is the same for any exchange. But I want to warn you, no matter how popular and reliable the cryptocurrency exchange may be, you should never keep all your money on it. For optimal security and convenience, it is highly advised to exclusively use a cryptocurrency exchange platform when buying or selling your assets. Where do you keep your money to prevent theft? I'll respond in a separate video, so subscribe to my channel to avoid missing out on the answer. Let's get back to the Binance exchange. After you've successfully registered, you need to go through verification. If you encounter any issues at this stage, just drop a message in the live chat and they will definitely help you out. Adding funds using fiat. Most exchanges support various ways of depositing funds. It all depends on what currency you want to top up in. For example, in the USA they have Fatfire, Swift, ACH. If you're a resident of Europe, then you have SEPA. If you're a resident of the UK, then exchanges support Fester payments. And if you're a resident of Canada, then it's either bank transfers or electronic transfers. Quite a wide selection, so you'll find what you need. Well, that's it. You're ready to get to work. But before I show you how to choose coins that are more likely to help you earn rather than lose your budget, you need to learn how to buy these coins correctly. And it's actually very easy to do all this. Let's go to the crypto exchange app, and here we need to go to the spot section. Spot is engaged in the buying or selling of currency at the prevailing exchange rate in the market. Currently, we negotiate based on market prices. After a successful deposit, our funds are located in the replenishment section of our account. In order to trade, we must transfer them to the spot section. It is a very easy task. We click on the transfer section, and in this step, we enter the desired amount that we want to transfer to the spot section of the platform.
I'll transfer $20.
Awesome, nailed it. We go to the spot section and see that there are $20. Yes, they are here. In order to purchase cryptocurrency, we need to navigate to the trade section of the platform. Here we can choose which cryptocurrency we want to buy. In this case, I'll be demonstrating everything using Bitcoin as an example. Following that, when it comes to buying or selling, I'll opt for the purchase. Please proceed. We will be required to choose the specific type of order. We set the order type to market. What is the significance of this? It means we will be negotiating at the current prevailing prices. What is the desired purchase amount of Bitcoin? I want to buy some Bitcoin for $20. Please enter this amount and click on the buy button. The operation was successful. You can check the deal right here. We click on this little button and here we have stories to make and share with others. We can verify the purchase date, quantity, and price. It's a simple process. Now we plan to sell our Bitcoin holdings. Let us proceed with the sale. The order type will remain unchanged. We will execute it in the market. What is the desired selling price for the Bitcoin? I want to sell a portion of my Bitcoin for a total of $20. I input $20, press the sell button, and everything goes smoothly. So we have just bought and sold some Bitcoin. So that the picture in your head fully comes together and you understand all these processes, I'll tell you about my deals that I conducted a year ago. I possess screenshots of this. I generated $50 and $100 from 2 deals that I successfully closed. The first deal was really short. I bought a GMT coin for $200 and sold it for $250 after 2 days. So it has only been 2 days and I have already made $50. The second deal was longer. I purchased a Solana cryptocurrency for $100. After a month, I sold my Solana investment and made a profit of $100. I want to point out that these deals were made in parallel, meaning I was doing my main activity, I was working, but at the same time I was watching cryptocurrency on my phone and buying and selling different coins, thus making money. Soon I'll tell you the most important rule that allows you not to earn, but not to lose your money. Because in cryptocurrency, the risks are huge, so it's important to know what you're doing. Let's continue the video, and now I'll tell you about a really cool feature. It's called automation. With automation, you won't have to keep track of all these charts. You won't have to constantly be at work. The robot will do everything for you. The most important thing is that you need to compose the task correctly. For example, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin for $20,000 and sell it for $40,000. You dictate your command to the exchange and it does everything for you. Let us commence. Proceed to the spot section and choose purchase, but make a modification to the order type. He's not just a marketer anymore, he's already our limited edition. A limit order, you see, means that we give the exchange a deferred task to buy currency at a certain price. At present, the price of Bitcoin is nearly $44,000. Assuming we provide the exchange with a task to buy Bitcoin at the precise price of $40,000, let's examine the possibility of executing this transaction. In this step, we input the desired buying rate for Bitcoin, which is $40,000. Then, we enter the amount of dollars we want to exchange for Bitcoins. These inputs allow us to specify the rate at which we want to buy Bitcoin and the quantity of Bitcoins we aim to acquire in exchange for our dollars. I will insert $20, select Buy Bitcoin, and at this point in time, our transaction is initiated and available for further processing. So down below we can see she has made a post. When the price of Bitcoin reaches $40,000, I am going to automatically buy it. At present, I no longer have to sit on the phone and observe all of this. It is truly awesome and remarkable. I'm going to cancel the deal because I do not need to buy any Bitcoin. Is that right? Here is the button for that. Now let's do the reverse deal. Let's say I set a task for the exchange to buy Bitcoin when it reaches a price of $40,000, and I want to sell it when it reaches a price of $50,000. During this stage, we choose the sell option and input the desired exchange rate of Bitcoin at which we wish to sell it on the designated platform or exchange. What is the specific amount of money in dollars that we desire to exchange our Bitcoin for? Additionally, may it be exactly $20 in value? We should sell some Bitcoin. At this moment, we have successfully placed a sell order and are now waiting for potential buyers. When Bitcoin reaches a price of $50,000, we will sell it for $20. That is the end of it. Well, here is the entire process. The exchange itself purchases cryptocurrency for you and sells it for you. So here we arrive at the most intriguing part. Prior to initiating the withdrawal of funds, I would like to mention that the primary challenge does not lie in the technical implementation process. The technical implementation of everything was demonstrated to you using a phone, showing how simple it all is. And the problem lies precisely in choosing the right coins. That will help you make money, not lose it. To make accurate coin selections, carefully consider various influences and also watch my informative videos. And you should also download the CoinMarketCap app. In it, you'll be able to see a massive list of coins and charts with their prices. I've got a ton of coins. They're called altcoins. An altcoin is anything that's not Bitcoin. So it's really simple for us. I've got some Bitcoin. All the other coins are just altcoins. At the moment, I'm employing altcoins as a minor side hustle to generate some additional income on the side. Essentially, I invest in alternative coins, generate a profit, withdraw that money, and purchase Bitcoin. By performing this action, I'm maintaining and enhancing my financial resources. Yes, you did not mishear what I said. I save and multiply my savings, but I do not earn additional income. The reality is, individuals who already have financial resources are venturing into the world of cryptocurrency. If your purpose of coming here is to make money, you are doing it incorrectly. The only way to preserve and grow your wealth is through long-term and cautious investing strategies. And all kinds of speculations, fast ways to earn money, and a desire for money will not be of assistance to you. The years will pass and you will lose all of your money. If I happen to upset someone, I sincerely apologize and express my regret. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. And it might be different from yours. But if you still want to withdraw your money, do it using the same principle as when you deposit. Here's the thing, it is actually really simple. If you do not want to lose your money, allow me to remind you that you should never keep your money on a cryptocurrency exchange platform. There will be a video about this in the near future, so do not miss it. Alright folks, let us finally get to the most important rule in the world of cryptocurrencies. And not only cryptocurrencies, but investments in general. Simply learn this rule, it is simply one word. There are no shortcuts to success. Hold. There is actually a meme circulating on the internet about this, and it is often referred to as HODL. HODL is an abbreviation that came about as a result of distorting the word hold. This implies the act of purchasing and retaining cryptocurrency for extended periods of time. Irrespective of the market situation, the hodler refrains from selling their assets. And that's what aids to multiply. Let's analyze the situation. So you purchased Bitcoin for $40,000 and then there was a dip. If you panic and sell your Bitcoins for $20,000, you may lock in a substantial loss, potentially missing out on future gains in the market. Hodlers do not do that. Hodlers hold cryptocurrencies and have faith in the future of cryptocurrencies. So as time elapses, the price of Bitcoin reverts to its former course, and then it initiates an upward movement, gradually starting to rise again. And as a result, the hodlers multiply in number. Yeah, it has been a hot minute. Hodlers have to patiently wait for a long period of time. However, you did not lose any money. In fact, you actually made money. Do you comprehend this concept? So hodl, and only hodl. Unfortunately, trading from a remote location doesn't cut it in terms of effectiveness. I am familiar with a lot of examples of these failures. So please remember, until you sell your cryptocurrency, you have not locked in the loss. Check out this video, take some notes, leave a comment, let me know if you liked it. Start investing in cryptocurrency and subscribe to my channel. And here was Wolf from Crypto Street with you. Bye everyone.